this wind.
Was it worth it?
Yes, this is totally worth it.
That's awesome.
Oh my God,
Wow,
look at
that's
this
a big
bass. Look at this bad boy. Look at this thing. Nice cold. It's spring, but it's freezing still. My hand is still like totally numb. Look at this thing. Put this thing down. Look at this.
Don't get too. Oh,
Look at that.
the camera sucks.
Beautiful. Nice 2-3 pounder. Look at that slime on them. Look at
This is
that coating.
protective coating.
Yes.
Don't rub it off.
All right.
Jeremy, wait it.
There he is. There he goes.
Wow, it is freezing out here.
Woo! You know, this isn't normally what I post videos about, but this is what I really love to do. So let's try to get another one. I'm like getting hypothermia. It is freezing out. I think the temperature is 33 degrees or something like that. Well, it says 43, but the wind is kicking like 20-mile-per-hour gusts. My nose is leaking. Thanks. I've been dying to do some fishing. The winter's been way too long. There's still snow on the ground. So I said, you know what the heck? I want to go fishing because I'm going crazy. And I went to this pond that I know there's fish in and I can catch one because, you know, the Northeast is a little pain in the ass to catch some bass. So let me show you what I used. I used this little beaver bait. Like this little paddle tail beaver bait. In this super cold water. I don't like these pieces here. This paddle tail style right here, just these two would do just fine. So I was throwing this weightless Texas rig in it. I know Texas rig is with the weight, but I didn't use a weight because this pond is only 4 feet deep max all around. So I didn't need the weight. Super windy. The weight would have been great, but I didn't have any weights on me. Okay, so this wasn't a real crazy adventure. I just stopped out here for like 30 minutes, and literally within 30 minutes I missed one, which I didn't set the hook good, and the second one took me maybe 10 minutes after that. So that was just a quick run of fishing for the new upcoming spring and summer months. If you guys like this video or like me fishing, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I will do more fishing videos. And subscribe. I do own a canoe, so I will be out on canoe adventures. So stick around, definitely stick around to see me on some canoe adventures. Peace out.